Today is 8 August, Saturday, and after a long time, I'm able to give very little fruit salad to the crow bros and birds. This is apple, this is dragon, and these are pomegranates. Okay, very little. You see, one of the part was rotten, so but we have to give them the opportunity to taste different type of fruits which Allah has given specially for all of us. Okay, not for humans, for the genes, birds and snakes and other animals. So those who love fruit, the dogs, they don't eat much fruit, but the birds, they do. So I'm gonna give it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ow, 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 toy, toy, toy. Toy, toy. اللهم اني اسالك من فضلك ورحمتك وبركتك ومنك الان وارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا. Ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Start, start, kata, so. Kata. Salam. Ow, ow, toy, toy, toy. بارك لنا فيما رزقتنا وقنا عذاب النار. بسم الله والله بركات الله. ربنا تقبل منا انك انت السميع العليم. ربنا وجعلنا مسلمين لك ومن ذريتنا امة مسلمة لك وارنا مناسك وتب علينا انك انت التواب الرحيم. وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات والمسلمين والمسلمات ان الله رزاق ذو القوة المتين. انه من سليمان وانه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنه من محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وإنه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنه من نفيس الدين وإنه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the eagles are roaming. Okay, he saw the light and he just glided on the other direction, but if I don't show the light, the eagle, ow, ow, chill, chill, ow. So it will be, see the eagle, chill, 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 ow, chill, chill, ow. So So there will be the solar eclipse. Okay, so I can look on the sun and do some dua. I can't see the sun like this, but I can see the sunlight. Okay. Washamsi was zuhaha wal kamari iza talaha wal nahari iza jalaha wal layli iza yakshaha was sabai wama banaha wal arzi wama tahaha wal nafsini wama sawaha falhamaha fujuraha wat taqwaha kad aflaha man zakkaha wa kad khaba man dassaha. Kazabat samudu bi tagwaha izim basa ashkaha fakala lahu rasulullahi naktali wasukiyaha fakazabu farra akruha fadamdama alaihim rabbuhum bizambihim fasawaha wala yakhafu ukbaha wazuha walayli ija saja ma waddaka rabbuka wama kala walal akhiratu khairul laka minal ula wala sawfa yutika rabbuka fatarazalam yajiduka yatiman fa'awa wajadaka dalan fahada wajadaka ailan fagna fammal yatima falatakhar wa amma sa'ila falatanhar wa amma bi nimati rabbuka fahadis. Alam nashrah laka sadrak wa wazana anka wizrak alladhi anqadha dhahrak wa rafa'na laka dhikrak fa innamal yusri yusra fa ija fargata fansab wa ila rabbika fargab. So see the eagle. No, this is, I don't know, this is crow bro or eagle. He's gliding, maybe eagle. Okay, so I'm leaving now. Due to solar eclipse, the birds and crows, they will go to their home early, but inshallah Allah will see this bird. This is a nice crow, but ow ow kaka ow 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 cow. So this is it. Shukr alhamdulillah. So especially among the birds, I love the crow. Okay, I have some relation with them because they are very gentle, I think. Okay, I'm learning from them. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan. So sky is above and I'm here. Inshallah we will see you.